Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well at your home. Today I am going to discuss second part of the MS Excel 2010, an introduction. In the previous video, I have already discussed the introduction of MS Excel, the different type of components, what is a spreadsheet, and difference between the workbook and worksheet. Now we will discuss how to open, close and create a workbook. Workbook means all the pages with the sheet 1, 2, 3 is called workbook, and worksheet is a single page of the MS Excel. Like sheet 1 is the worksheet and whole pages these pages are workbook. So now how to open a new workbook. I want a new workbook. Then go to the office button, click on the new, and then after click the create button. The new workbook will be open with the sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Next is how to open the existing workbook, which I have already saved and I want to open and work on that workbook. Then go to the office button. Here you can also see the saved file, otherwise click on the open if you are not getting your file, and click on the in the Excel I have created my file, then click on the open. The saved workbook will be open. Closing a worksheet, just click here and close. Click in here and close the workbook. Here will be workbook. So this is the process how to open, close or create a new workbook. Next is worksheet. A single page is a worksheet. So here we will learn about the how to select a worksheet, insert a worksheet, rename or delete. First, how to select. For selecting, nothing you have to do, just go to the sheet 4 and click from your mouse and it will be select. If you want to select the sheet 1, then go to this sheet and click, it will select. Next is inserting a new worksheet. What you have to do, otherwise click here, it will insert a new worksheet. And if you don't want to do like this, if you want before sheet 1 of new worksheet, then click here and click on the insert button and okay. See, sheet 5 came before sheet 1. Next is how to delete. Right click from your mouse, the drop down menu will come and click on the delete. Then again sheet 4 I want to delete, right click, delete. Sheet 3 I want to delete, right click, delete. Next is how to rename it. How to rename. Nothing you have to do, from your mouse, click on the right click, rename option is here, click on the rename, backspace, and what name you want to give, and you can see your worksheet is renamed. So like this you can rename your worksheet. So selecting, inserting, renaming and deleting, all we have completed. Next topic is types of data. How many types of data? Number, text and formula. Number, which will be in the form of 0 and 9, is called number, like 65, 66, all these are a number. And text, from the alphabet A to Z, is called text. If the data can contain alphabet, number and special character, that is called text. Text data is not used in calculation. So this is only used for giving the information, it is not used for the calculation. Next, last is formula. Here we will discuss how to use a formula in MS Excel. Like already I have created name of the students and their maths, physics, Hindi, number. Now here I want a calculation of sum of maths, physics and Hindi of all these students. What I will do, I want my answer here, like what is the total marks of math, physics and Hindi. Then first formula always start with equal to sign. If equal to I am giving means I am going to start my formula. Now after giving a equal to sign, select here. This is the E4. Here we can see that this cell name is E4. Then give the plus sign. Plus sign means we are going to sum. Then select the second number. This cell name is F5. Again give the plus sign and then select the third one. Press the enter key. This is the sum of maths, physics and Hindi. Again we have to write the formula. Then answer will be no. No need to write again and again formula. Just click this one. Go to the edge of the cell. When this plus sign will change like this. See, if we are taking a cursor in the edge of the formula, the sign is changing. When it will change, drag it. Just drag it and you will get the answer of all the students maths, physics, Hindi sum. So like this you can do. Next, one of the easiest method, that time we do not need to select all this. Just click here and here is the option of auto sum. Click here and sum. It is selected from the E4 to I4. I don't want from I4. It is up to H4 I want. So just click here. Here also you can rename. Click here. H4. No. G4. So it is selected up to G4. Now again drag it. See, the same answer came, the calculation. So this is the two method. Either you can select this or auto sum. Auto sum is the easiest one. Directly you can define the cell name of cell range from where to where you want to calculate. Now I want the maximum of this number. In this number, which one is maximum and which one is minimum? So click auto sum, maximum number up to here to here. If you want to rename, I want up to this one G13, then just here you can edit up to G13 only I want, then 1 or 3. Press C, ranges is given. I have selected from the G4 to G13. Press the enter key. 79 is the minimum number among these number. If I want the maximum number among these number. If I want the maximum of whole number, then select here auto sum maximum. It is selected up to here. Now this cell name is E4. Here just edit E4. Selected, press the enter key. 222 is the maximum among all the numbers. Minimum you can also get, and average. Count the numbers. If you will click on the count the numbers, so you have to select select here auto sum, count the number, range is given. If you want to increase decrease, just it is a 12 number, so it is counted the number and given the total number is 12. So there is a method to use a formula, to rename, to delete the worksheet, to insert a new worksheet, to insert a new workbook, to close a workbook, and to open an existing workbook. So now what you have to do, you have to practice at your home all the function which now I have discussed. You have to practice at your home. Do practice again and again. Then after MS Excel you can use for the various type of mathematical calculation. Do practice, and in the next class we will discuss the question answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.